Once crops are harvested in June, the land is mole plowed, thus allowing the soil to be solarized, which benefits the next crop. Sugar beets occupy 20% of the farm's total tillable land. It is important to prepare the soil well, to then precision sow the next crop. Monogerm pelleted seeds are used to facilitate vigor during emergence. Deficient irrigation requires excellent control to cover the exact water needs using aspersion for total or partial coverage. Irrigated sugar beet production has enjoyed important advances in crop control and management through the use of environmentally friendly techniques. The integrated production system implemented at Hato Raton since 2004 for cotton and since 2006 for sugar beets has been defined as a high-quality agricultural production system that brings together biological, chemical, and cultural measures for pest and disease control. Today, environmentally friendly farming practices are being used in almost all fields dedicated to cotton, sugar, beets, and rice. Thanks to technical advances, the use of agrochemicals has been minimized by 40 to 50%. Waste has decreased by optimizing production methods that are risk-free to the environment and thus achieve agricultural sustainability. Integrated production methods prioritize the use of less aggressive techniques and products, which are both better for humans and the wild flora and fauna. These efforts have been undertaken by Hato Raton due to their location near the Doñana National Park and its recent incorporation into the Natura 2000 network. Harvest is an important event within the scope of the 240-day crop cycle. Production ranges between 90 and 100 metric tons per hectare, with a sugar level between 17 and 18%. Once harvested mechanically, beets are loaded onto trucks and sent to the sugar processing plant. Tomatoes account for 20% of the farm's surface area to become the most profitable crop. It is sown using mechanical planters. Due to the amount of hand labor needed throughout its 120-day growth season, tomatoes are considered a good employment-creating crop. To obtain good production levels, pest and disease control are as important as drip irrigation management. To improve pollination, beehives are placed in the fields when the tomato plants are in bloom. The mechanical harvest is performed using sophisticated harvesters with a series of sensors to classify tomatoes in the field. In 2005, the first year of tomatoes were grown. The production was about 99,500 kilos per hectare, increasing to 138,000 kilos per hectare by 2011. Potatoes have not always been a major crop on the farm, due to fluctuating prices, thus risking profitability. Planted mechanically in winter, potatoes need little water in this season. Disease control is essential, with mildew being a major challenge. As with all other crops, the potato harvest is mechanized. Price variations are a major concern, as in many cases, low prices lead to an inability to cover production costs. As Roman statesman Marcus Tullius Cicero said, "Farming is a wise man's profession, the best for the forthright, and the most honorable occupation for all free men."